So much happened this week. Here's the Intense 5. So 21 Savage might get deported. What's really going on? Jay-Z is trying to save him though and got him a lawyer.
Pickpockets were the unfortunate highlight of the Bob Marley celebrations. It was crazy. They took cash but left the credit cards on the ground. Really sad.
So of course, if you win $148 million in Super Lotto, you're not going to want anyone to see your face. But wearing a mask from the movie Scream, that's intense. That man is a whole mood. Hey Campbell, you're large, big up yourself.
Good news for the family of the baby that was stolen from Jubilee a few weeks ago. The baby has been found after a woman tried to register the child at RGD but couldn't provide info. Jano.
And finally holding the spot this week, the shooting of a bus driver in Clarendon by police, and of course it's all caught on camera. Enough angles too. Jaja. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Remember to send your list to our Facebook and IG pages at TBJ Intense.